In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView time to 12-hour format. Let's get started right away by opening TradingView Supercharts. Head over to your browser and go to tradingview.com/chart with the symbol set to NASDAQ:AAPL. This will load the Apple Superchart view directly. Give the page a moment to fully load. Once the AAPL Superchart appears on your screen, take a quick look at the bottom timescale, or the small time zone clock in the bottom right corner of the chart. You'll notice the times are currently displayed in 24-hour format, and that's what we're going to change. Now we need to open the chart settings. Move your cursor up toward the top toolbar, and over near the upper right side of the chart, click on Settings. The Settings dialog should now open up and appear over your chart, ready for you to make adjustments. Inside the Settings dialog, you'll see a list of tabs. Click on the tab labeled Scales and Lines. Once that tab is selected, scroll your eyes down toward the lower part of the dialog and look for the section titled Timescale. This is where all the time-related options live. Inside the Timescale section, you'll find an option labeled Time Hours Format. Right next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click that drop-down so the list of available formats opens up. From the drop-down list, select the option labeled 12 hours. After making your selection, take a quick look at the drop-down to confirm it now displays 12 hours, which means your choice has been registered correctly. Now it's time to save the change so it actually applies to your chart. Move your cursor down to the lower right corner of the Settings dialog and click the OK button. The dialog will close, returning you back to the main chart view. To verify the change worked, look once again at the bottom timescale running along the chart, or check the small time zone clock down in the bottom right corner of the chart. Confirm that the time now shows either AM or PM next to the hour values, instead of the previous 24-hour numbering. TradingView is now displaying your chart time in the 12-hour format. Both the bottom timescale and the chart clock should clearly show AM and PM labels, instead of only the 24-hour time. Congratulations, you've successfully switched TradingView over to the 12-hour time format.